1212 21st Avenue East. Can you shove it in just about 6 inches? Alright, so we're going to zero out our footage here. We're doing a sewer inspection upstream from our open excavation to where the cast iron leaves the home. Zeroing out my footage. Alright, pull back slow. That left there, on the left right there, that is the line leaving the house. That left of that Y. Back up that Y is a downspout on the other side of the house, we're assuming. That is also a downspout that is right here on the northeast corner of the house. That must be completely separated because no sewage comes up out of that one. Alright, so we're 6 feet there. Now go up the branch arm to the right.
Follow to the cast?
Yep. Jam it a little bit. Alright, up one more. Alright. So we had 6 feet on the first one. Pull back from there. Six feet and 6 feet and 12. Alright, so 12 plus 36. Let's get that written up.